Are you a beginner and want to learn Figma through a real project? In this video and next 3 videos, we'll design a clean, patient-friendly medical application experience, start to finish, 13 mobile pages. Hey, this is Zara. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna design a well-known Australian application by the name of Hot Dog. In this video, we'll cover design system plus welcome page. But before that, let's see all pages that we're gonna design in this project. So as you see, there are 13 pages that I'm gonna get a flow. So this is a welcome page. I will press find a practitioner. I will find a service and I need to enter the suburb or postcode. For example, I will choose general practitioner and the postcode that's near to me, that's close to me, for example, is 4502. And then we'll enter and we will see there are some suggestions. I will click on this and the first suggestion, and for example I want to book the appointment in this medical center, and who are you requesting this consult for myself, for example. Imagine I am existing patient and I'm searching for a practice for medical health, and you will see the table of the dates available or availability of a doctor. So I will choose 820 and the last item is further information. I have read and agree and we are all set. And when I click on yes book, you're all set and finished. We're gonna design these flow pages together. In this video specifically, I'm gonna tell you what the design system is, and also I want to design just only one page. So let's dive in. You don't have my picture anymore because I don't want to distract you. Just you have the space of the Figma, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you have any questions, please comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Let's start designing our pages, our wireframe. But before that, I need you to know about the design system. What is a design system? In Figma, normally before starting the project, we will have a palette of colors or some lists of, for example, a list of fonts that you want to use in different sizes, and you need to add them in your library before starting your project, because you need to know what kind of colors you're gonna using and what kind of typography you're gonna use. So I didn't talk about this item or this design system is better to say in this video, but in the future I will record for you a kind of video that I talk about design system, the theory of the colors, how you can have your typography and how you can add them. Also, one of the important topic is grid that you need to add. We don't have different kind of grids here because only we have a flow and just we have a mobile version. So in this case, when I use some of the colors, just I'm recalling from the design system that I have thought about it before and I have made it before. So let's begin our design. This is the thing that we're gonna make in welcome page, and I need to create a frame. So I press the F in the keyboard and I choose iPhone here, iPhone 16 for example. You can choose the other iPhone or the other thing, but because I wanted to make exactly like this, so I choose iPhone 16. Is it the same? Yes. Before starting your design, in any design that you're doing, it is very important to have a grid. So I will tell you what the grid is. Here I have a grid, so I will tell you how it works. Actually, my grid here has 4 columns, as you see. And it has 4 columns. It has a color, it has a background color that actually differentiate the background and the grid. The type is stretch because it's mobile. We don't put it on center, right and left in this side, in this project. And the width is auto. And the margin. What is the margin? Margin are these spaces from the left side to and the right side, and the gutter are these spaces between the columns. So I have a grid here for my project, and I'm gonna start designing the thing like that, not similar but a little bit similar. So just I need to know what items we have or what items we're gonna design here. This is the logo, these are texts, this is button, this is text, and this is the button text. Your text button is better to say. The correct one is the text button. So we'll start with actually this one. And you need to know that you need to have a component page. Everything like a logo, because it's gonna repeat it in the other pages. So we make it component. We're gonna design this together. What I need is a plus, icon of the plus. And after that, I will create a kind of auto layout for that and make it green. So the icon pack that I use is a plugin of Iconify, so you can use it freely. For example, I choose this one. For example, you can import it as frame, import as component. I choose as a frame because most of the time people use it as component because they want to use the icons very easily, but because we don't have many icons here, so I use it as a frame. Oh, actually it's been imported here, but we want it to be here. As you see, it's very small, so I keep shift on my keyboard and make it big. So I will put it here in order to see. I think it's better to be a little bit smaller. That's good. Yeah, that's a good size. So basically I need the vector, but because we have a, because it has the auto layout or a frame out of it, so at first we actually give the color to that. This one, I go to the library and it's primary. As you see, this is the color that I have, and I give it corner radius. Normally the corner radius for this one is going to be very high because it's going to be a kind of circle. So as you see, this one is very big in it, or no, it's better to a little bit bigger. Okay, let's see whether it's bigger, so I will make it smaller, or Control Z because I didn't keep the shift. Okay, yes, look like. So I will change the color to white. I will go to my library and my white is called neutral here. This one can be our logo. So because we're gonna use this logo in other pages, I will change it to a component. How do we make it as a component? I will click the frame. I will go here create component. One of the important thing about component is the names. So I will name it logo. I will make a copy. I will paste it in here. Okay, in order to have it in our component page as well. So this is our logo. So let's make these titles or these texts. For having text in our frame, so just you need to push T on your keyboard, and I write welcome to doc. So here I need to change the typography. It was H1, yeah, it was H1. So if we want to see what H1 is, H1, the font is Inter, it's bold, it is 32 the size, and the line height is 40. You see, that's the same. And this one, so I will make a copy of this, but I will change the font to, for example, H3. No, it's a body, I think. Yes, I will change it. So in order to change it, we will select it and we'll change it to body. So book, health care, appointment, with local health professionals. Okay, how we can fix them? So I need to make it to the center, so I will go here and also here. No, it's going to be very low, so I will put it upside. So this one need to be center, so I use this one, also this one. Okay, so I need to, now we need to make this button. Actually, this is the call to action button. I mean the button which is very important, and it has our primary color. As you see, it's written find your practitioner. So for making it, so we will go to the component page and we're gonna make button together. So at first I write something like this: find your practitioner, is it correct? Practitioner. So the I mean the size that we use for that, for our button, we use 16. Yes, we use 16. And I will add auto layout to that. For adding the auto layout, we press Shift and A, and we will change the color. At first we click the frame, we will go to the library and change it. So we have a constant corner radius for our buttons, and it's 8. So the width would be, so normally we can change it later if, for example, it's bigger or it's smaller. For example, so let me copy it and take it here in order to see what goes best for it. At first, let me change the color of the text. I will select it and we go to the library and we choose neutral. Okay, I will drag it. So let's see, is it on grade? Yes, very good. As we see, it is, the width would be 361 and the height normally in the big is better to be 48. So see, that's exactly this one. So again, I will come back. I will paste it here. So it's our, if it's called, say, button number 1, button dash number 1. It's the big, or it's better to use slash because it makes folder for us. So say button slash large. So I will write all of them with a small letter. Okay, so we need to have 3 kind of buttons in this project because I calculated before. So we have the second button that can be a little bit smaller, the same width, but the height can be different. For example, B40, and we will change the T to smaller one, for example this one, and it is 14. The font is 14, smaller than this one, and we will make smaller one. The width would be the same, but for example I will decrease the height with 32. I will change the name. For example, large would be medium, and this one would be small. Okay, that's the one. So we're gonna make them component. So we will click all of them and we will go here, create component set. This is our button. I will call this this property to button. Okay, so for example, I want to, for example, recall this from our component page. What we do, we go to the asset, we will search for the button because it's the one that we made. This is something that I made before, and it's with capital letter, so but it's small letter. So before inserting, I wanted to show you something. So as you see, we have 3 sizes: large, medium, small, because of the slash plus the name. So I will choose the large one, insert instance, and I will put it here easily. Very good. And now we're gonna have this one. I will add T already. It should be smallest. Should be smallest one. So it is small body, it is 14. So I will change it to 14. Okay, I will put it here. And we need to design this text icon. So what we do, we will go to the file, component. We need two based on what I calculated. We need two of them. So because it's very important before starting the project, you will know what kind of things you need, what components you need. So I will type login. So I need to know what size it was. It was size 14. It was a small one. Normally we need small and the bigger one, so I will make two. So login, it was blue. Also I have it in my library. And I will have at first the larger size and then the other one. So this is a login, but I need to, because it's only a text, I need to just shift A and say login text button slash medium, and we don't want it be very big. So for cutting these spaces, you need to go here and, for example, make them 0 because I don't want to give it color or something. Okay, so I will make a copy. I will keep option here. I will select it and I change the font to 14. So I need to change it to small. Text button dash small. Is it smaller? No. Yes, it's 14. It is 16. Now we select these two and we make the component set and we call it text button. So we'll change the name of this property and it is text button. I will go to the design page and I want to recall the text button that we just made in our assets. So text button. Text button. This is a thing that I made. So I needed the small one. So let me check it again. No, I need the small one. Insert. So I put it here. I will click on this one and this one, and I will click Shift and A. We make the auto layout in order to be aligned, and this is the frame that we've made. Just is better to be named like frame 27. That's okay, the name is okay. So I want to put it exactly in the center, downside, but we don't want it to be that down. We will use the up key in my keyboard and I put it upside. That's exactly we made the welcome page. I will write welcome. Sorry, welcome page, That's the first Thanks for watching this video. Please wait for the other parts because we're gonna complete this project together. See ya.